Let's get you outside to Chris for Tool Time Tuesday, Chris.
Guys, this Tool Time Tuesday really hits home because Mark Leppert from Mark Leppert & Sons Contractors fixed my bathroom, and boy, did it need it. I had a bathroom in this condo that was original from 1981, and it was beyond ugly. My girlfriend said, get a new one. So we did, and she helped pick out some of the stuff, and one of which is the Sorrento Stone. It looks like tile. What is it?
Yeah, what it is, it's a crushed limestone base with a resin binder, and what we can do is we can cast this in any different length and shapes, just like we did with your walls in your bathroom.
Okay, so instead of tile, with grouting all in between,
we eliminate all that.
You have, let's say, an 8 by 15 size wall that you need to put up there. You would just cast it all in one solid piece,
cast it
like
in one
you've done
piece.
here.
Yes, all in one piece. So
what's the benefit of that?
So you don't have any of the grout to contend with. It's easy to clean, and it's a waterproof material right from the get-go.
So you just have fewer porous pieces
there.
Nothing
porous to it, right?
And you just use, what, a
silicone? It's silicone just on the joints and the corners.
And that's it. That's it. The other thing it does is it saves a lot of time. We only have one bathroom. We were only out of our bathroom for
5 days.
That's it.
Right.
Yeah.
From start to finish, demoed out the whole thing, put it all back together.
How much longer would it have taken if you had done the traditional tile, that kind of thing?
You could say easily add 3 times that amount.
And then with time is cost because of labor costs.
Exactly.
So what's the upcharge on that, let's say? Or how much did I save, would you say?
Thousands of dollars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
15%, 20%?
Somewhere in that range, yes.
Which is great. What colors do these come in? And by the way, we had before pictures. Let's take a look at what you did.
Of course, let's do that.
We picked a cookies and cream color.
Yes.
I didn't pick it. It looks fantastic. So these are the before pictures, okay? And look at that lighting, okay? That was like rusted brass.
It was.
From 1981. And then that solid mirror. And then this was kind of the old shower. With, you can see those old tiles. And the toilet, you know, there it is. It's a toilet. And I can't wait to get the after because they look fantastic. There's the after photos.
There's the after.
There they are.
Isn't that, what a transformation.
Total transformation. We painted it, used the brushed nickel and everything else.
Yes.
And then this is the interesting thing here. So there's the sink, right? And as we come back out here live, talk about this, Mark. This feels like one piece. You wouldn't believe it's not one piece.
Exactly. So this is cast in 2 pieces. So again, this is the countertop that's cast first. And then this is fused with the sink bowl, and it all comes together as one piece.
So you bring this in, and you just dropped it in, the double sink, the whole unit?
Yes, all in one piece, and that's what it is.
How long would our bathroom remodel have taken, do you think, if you had done it more traditionally, the old school way?
Yeah, probably could have been 2 to 3 weeks for the old school way.
And so if you have one bathroom, there's so many condominiums and apartments in San Diego County, this really is a benefit.
It is. It is. Just that time frame, now you can shorten everything, and just from start to finish, you're done.
Mark Leppert, thank you so much.
Of
now,
course.
for more on Sorrento Stone, because it really is a pretty cool product, and it's so easy to clean and everything else, and super durable.
It is.
We can find information about it on your website, so we put a link on our website. Just go to fox5sandiego.com. It's Mark Leppert & Son Contractors. Where's your son? We talk about him all the time. Where is he right now?
He is a cruise journalist, and so, you know, this is what's transpired with college and all, and I'm happy for him. I'm thrilled for him.
Hence the sort of cruise type attire.
What can I
it looks
say,
awesome.
you know?
Mark, you did a great job in our home.
Thank
really
you.
Appreciate it, and appreciate your expertise, your
Of
quick
course.
work, and the results is amazing. I really appreciate it. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.